we were supposed to speak about what happened to quit my job, leave aviation, and then and there, I felt as if I'm done. My career is done, everything is done, there's no going back. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Hey there, Anna. And there, I see you again. Last time when we met, I was living a completely different life, doing a completely different job. And today you see me here. So I'm sure that you guys have a lot of questions. Anyone would. So today the video is going to be a little different. I'm obviously going to share everything that I use, my makeup products, my go-to skincare, as well as few of my favorite brands that I just like to try once in a while. But along with that, the catch here is that I'm going to give you a little bit of detail on what happened, why did I leave aviation, why this job change, and what's basically going on in my life, and have had gone a little bit haywire in my life, because of which I had to take this decision. But all's good now, so yeah, let's go ahead. So basically, for all my skincare girlies, I am done with my CTM, which is the base. Okay, so CTM is cleansing, toning, moisturizing. यही मुझे सिखाया गया था एविएशन में और यही मुझे पता है. मैं बहुत बड़ी स्किन केयर बफ नहीं हूँ, ना ही मैं ज़्यादा मेकअप पसंद करती हूँ. I would buy because my mom likes to buy it. So yeah, but mostly I'll not use it. If only I had to go for a flight, तब करती थी. अभी for shoots I do. But mostly, first things first, I have this beautiful pack sent by Sugar. It's the mini pack. It's written Sugar Play. So yeah, I have not opened it yet, but I'm going to open it for you guys, and we are going to unbox it together and see what all is there, because I have not seen it. I like it. So you get one SPF 30 setting mist, which is I think very important. I kid you not, when I was in aviation, the only thing which was saving me and my life throughout the flight was the makeup fixer, and I'm a very very big Sugar foundation fan. Okay, yeah, legit. I don't want to. I have Charlotte Tilbury. I have good brands, like expensive ones when it comes to foundation, but I have just loved, I don't remember the name of it, but there's this Sugar stick, right? The foundation stick HD finish. That, I don't know why though, every time I've gone to their, their outlet, the shade I use is 24 in the HD stick one. And they are always out of it. Like, they don't have it in stock, and that's like my perfect shade. So Sugar, please fill up on the shade 24. I need it badly. Can you see my halat? I do a lot. I need it. Anyway, so we did not get the foundation stick in this one, but yeah, if you guys are watching it and you guys want a long lasting foundation which practically works during the day and throughout the day, because I have worn it when I was in flight. I was working as a flight attendant, and it can get really exhausting for your makeup as well. It keeps getting oxidized, then you are wearing masks and a lot of things. But minimal touch up, for me at least, it took minimal touch up for me. So yeah, it worked for me like wonders, and I would like to try it again if they can get it in stock. But अभी कोई stock में नहीं है. तो ठीक है, कोई बात है. Anyway, this is the setting spray. So this is something I use. Also, one of my favorite setting spray is of MAC. So yeah, not the shimmer one though, the matte finish, I guess. So that one is really good. Okay, so I got okay, this is a lip oil. Nowadays I'm really liking lip oils for some reason, and my lips get really chapped. Mostly in Calcutta, I don't know why it gets really chapped, and I continuously need to put either a lip oil or a lip balm even during summers. So Yeah, this is life-saving for me. Lip oil. Guys, go get it. And this mini pack is so compact and travel friendly as well. You get this cute little mirror in it, and there are so many products, like so many left. So, okay. Oh wow, this is so cute. So, we got contours. So this is, the color is different. This is Peach Peak, which I love. I really like a good peachy color. Can you see this? Oh no. I have a little bit of OCD as well. Okay, so this one. And we have, okay, this is the shade 01 Peach. Although if you are going to place an order for this particular mini travel kit, they're going to basically give you the same products, I guess. The ones I have received, I am not sure, but the ones I have received are these, and I'm going to mention all the details of the products that I have received in the description section. So yeah, you can find it there. Also, this one is 02 Pink Pinnacle, and this is also very cute. I think we are going to use it today. Let's see. All right. We got compact. This is a mattifying compact, which is very, very important. And it's been 2 years, I guess, that I'm thinking of buying a compact, but I procrastinate. So every time I went to go get my makeup, evidently I have made it a point to forget to get a compact. So thank you, Sugar, for sending me this. This is going to help me because I'm in dire need of compact, and I just got one. Oh, so pretty. Just look at it. Wow. Lovely. I'm going to use it today. Okay, so where are we going? We are not going anywhere for now. I'll have to do a shoot. Okay. Also, I got a primer. This is the pore minimizing primer from Sugar. And yeah, this is also very important. Let's start. So first things first, we are going to apply the primer. Okay. This is how I do it. I've already done my CTM, as I told you guys. So yeah. I'm sure everybody has their own way of doing it. I don't like to put it in my hand first and then again blend it. So this is how I put my primer on. And then just blend it. And this actually used to work really well for me. This pore minimizing primer. And it's very, very smooth on the skin. Very smooth. Alright. So we are done with our base. Primer is done. Today actually I'm not going to fill in my brows because I just got them done and I have good brows. So I don't need to do it. So this is done. Now we are going to go in with the concealer. Okay, most of the time मुझे वैसे इतना मेकअप करना पसंद है नहीं, तो what I do is I just put the concealer on only when I have the Sugar wala concealer, but right now I don't have it. So I put the concealer on a little bit. This is too white. Who kept it in my... This is not mine. This is my mom's. But we have already put it. Yeah. Okay, so this is... Okay, I've never used this, but I got it on a very good deal from Nykaa, I guess. So this is Insight Makeup Essentials No Smudge Concealer. Let's see. Let's see how much does it work. Even if it will work for me, I don't know. And I saw somewhere, like I used to put my concealer aise niche pura, which is raw. So you are not supposed to put so much concealer. You can just put 3 dots here, and then just blend it. I like using my hand. Also, makeup blender dur hai. नहीं उठ सकते अभी, बहुत मुश्किल से खुद को बैठाया है वीडियो बनाने के लिए, तो हम अब वीडियो बनाकर ही उठेंगे ता even if we are looking like a fucking joker. So what's the deal with this Amazon, huh? I have ordered for my bed and it was supposed to get delivered on 3rd of July. It's 12th and मुझे लग रहा है मैं फुटपाथ पे सो रही हूँ, बट क्या कर रहे हैं, कोई बात नहीं. Amazon India मेरा बेड भेज दो प्लीज प्लीज. ऐसा मत करो ब्रदर्स, I need my bed. Okay, so as you can see, if you just do a little bit, what I feel is ज़्यादा मेकअप आपको करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. अगर आप थोड़ा सा अपना अंडर आई पे काम कर लो, just if you have like dark circles or something, cover them up, put a little bit of natural blush. It can be liquid blush or it can be matte, but I prefer liquid क्योंकि मुझे वो natural glowy finish अच्छा लगता है. And yeah, a little bit of lip oil, mascara, and you are good to go. But anyway, we are not done yet. So I told you it is going to look okay. I know the process. When you look at me doing all these mad things, you'll be like, what a crazy girl. But wait till I'm done. Okay. So up next we have, oh, I got this also. This is so cute. This is Mars, I don't know, some 3-in-1. Okay. So we get a glossy liquid eyeliner, we get a mascara, and we get a glitter liquid eyeshadow. So should I put my foundation on or not? मन तो नहीं है, इतना मेकअप करना भी नहीं है, क्या कर रहे हैं, नहीं लगाएंगे. We are going to skip to liner because मेरा everyday basic यही है, ठीक है. आप मुझे कभी भी you will not see me wearing a full face of makeup because इतना patience नहीं है, इतना time नहीं है life में. So this is so cute, just look at this. Wow, and it's magnetic, so wow. This is so travel friendly as well. We are going to go in with the eyeliner. Feel मेरा eyes जो है वो थोड़ा छोटा दिखता है, जो कि मुझे नहीं चाहिए क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि anyway my eyes are small. Like I don't have those Bengali doe eyes, so pretty. I have a little मछली eye. So I like keeping it थोड़ा पतला, the wing. Also, it's a very bad idea to sit without a mirror. I just realized. I'll go and get it. Okay. तो इस वीडियो में मैं ज़्यादा कवर नहीं करूँगी. मैं जिस्ट में बताती हूँ what happened, why I had to, and take the decision to do something else. So what happened was, when I was 18, I started flying. So it was pretty early. And then for 5 years, I was a flight attendant. It was definitely the most amazing years of my life. मैंने अगर लाइफ में कुछ सीखा है, it is just because of the decision that I made in 2018 to start working, which I did, and thanks to my parents, they have always been very supportive of the things that I wanted to do, and yeah, they're like really good people. But yeah, they're sweet. And I started working very early. And then after I think I was done, 4 years in Indigo, I went for another adventure, which was Qatar Airways. That was even more amazing, okay, more grander. बट क्या होता है ना इस इंडस्ट्री में, आपका इतना एफर्ट जाता है, आप योर बॉडी, योर माइंड, योर इमोशनल state. After a point it becomes really tough, because for 5 years, not even for once, I could be home with my family during my birthdays or Durga Puja तो मुझे याद ही नहीं है. I think this year, after 5 years, it will be my first time in Calcutta where I'll be celebrating with my family and my friends. तो हाँ, ये सारी चीजें तो है कि बहुत टफ हो जाता है एक टाइम के बाद. एंड it is actually very hard to, I mean, when you look at this industry from outside, all you see is glitz and glam and everything fun. But when you are in the industry and you are working, you know every day how hard it is. When you go back home after a flight, you must have posted like 700 stories from Paris or London, anywhere. But behind those 700 stories, you are standing alone. You are taking your pictures. Yeah, you have colleagues, but every day it's new people. You are interacting with someone new. So that sense of familiarity on a day-to-day basis, you don't really have that with anyone, because your work doesn't support that. You are there to expand, and rightfully so. Like ऐसे नहीं होता कि every day we cannot have the same people on board, and it's a huge industry. Okay, so everything was good, really good, until and unless first state started becoming real in my life. So for all the aviation girlies or guys, whoever is watching it, they know what DVT is, or varicose veins is. So what happened was, because of the rigorous flying and the stress that my body, mind was going through, and of course it's been a long time, 5 years. तो एक टाइम के बाद वो स्ट्रेस आपके बॉडी पे, आपके फेस पे, सब कुछ में वो दिखता है. So I was very unlucky enough to get diagnosed with varicose veins, which is what happens is in your leg, you get blood clots, okay, and it starts paining. You don't have any permanent solution to it. Can't take medicines for it. You can only operate, and that too you cannot operate when you are this young. That's what was told by my doctor in Qatar to me. So I need to wait for at least till I turn 45 or something, and then only I can operate, something like that. And it's not like a daily thing, but it's your veins starts pumping out, and it becomes like very hard in those areas. Like when I have, even now I get these pains on my leg, where for a day or two I would be in bed wearing medicated socks so that the pain goes away. And a lot of people who has varicose veins or DVT, they can relate. I'm sure the people like from aviation, whoever is watching it, they have an idea what a DVT is, and varicose is something like that. So that's what I got diagnosed with. That was strike 1. Strike 2. What happened was, I was operating 2 sectors. I don't remember. I was doing Doha to some place, and it was a long flight. It was not a short flight at all, and I was the galley. So people who are from aviation, they know what a galley is. I was in charge of the aft galley, and the one who is in charge of the galley does everything. Okay, like the carts rolled out, you see the people who are serving our crew members in the cabin, you see. The galley is not supposed to come in the cabin, but sometimes we do have carts in our sections, but we handle everything. Like we are the ones who are making each cart and placing everything in the cart and taking the counts. So it's a process. I was that day I was the galley, and I flew with one of my very good friend. He was leading the cabin. It was an amazing day. It started off really good. Okay. Oh, I'm going to forget to put on my makeup. Anyway, it started out very good. We were in between service, and then what happens is, I think my R4 or somebody calls me and she goes like, we are out of champagne. So at that moment, what does the galley do? Galley goes to the galley, gets a champagne, opens it in the galley, because we are not supposed to open champagne in the cabin, right? It can, like, the cork can hit anybody. So safety measures. We are supposed to open it in the galley and then get the bottle without the cork and give it to the crew member serving. Okay, I did that. But to my luck, that cork hit the one of the cart that was kept there, and it bounced back and it went straight in my left eye. And then and there, I felt as if I'm done. My career is done. Everything is done. I'm blind. I'm practically blind. And I could feel my entire left side of the face and my eye numb. It was watering. And I couldn't see anything. At least for 2 to 3 minutes, I could not see anything from my left eye. And I could not call anybody in the cabin because there was nobody. Everyone was with their card. Everyone was working. I was alone in the galley. And I just went inside the washroom, tried to figure out what happened. And all I could see was water coming out and this entire area swollen and red. So that was strike 2. What happened there was, I got a nerve tear in my left eye. And mind you, everything, all of this thing which I have mentioned, it all happened within a span of a week or 2. That's about it. Strike 2, I got my nerve tear in my left eye. If that was not enough, at that point of time, I was a little cuckoo. I didn't really understand my word that much as well. So, story time. I was dating someone, and it was a little. So yeah, everything was happening to me at the same time, and it drained me. It drained me completely. Like, mentally I was done. Physically I couldn't move. Like, I remember when I was in Doha, my friends used to go party. My friends used to go out. And the only place I was going to was the hospital. And I have never been to hospitals, by the way. Like, I think the last time before Doha I went to a hospital was when I was born. I don't take medicines. Like, people who know me, who are close to me, they know that this girl will die, but she won't take a medicine. During COVID, I didn't take a medicine. So that's how my relationship has been with hospitals and medicine, anything to do with meds. But yeah, you make plans and God laughs. So that's exactly what happened. And every weekend I used to be in the hospital, and I realized that, something is not suiting. Although when I even went to Qatar in the first place, I was very excited, but few people, I have realized that you should never, with all these experiences, I have realized that you should never ever doubt your inner voice. Your inner voice knows, like, it's just most of the time we don't give benefit of doubt to what we are feeling. And we say कि अच्छा कुछ नहीं, सब ठीक है, सब ठीक हो जाएगा, kind of a thing, which is good. But sometimes you should actually listen to your inner voice. And my inner voice was screaming when I landed in Qatar that enjoy while it lasts, but it won't, and this is not it. but I never paid attention to it till I was like hospitalized, and then I was like struggling to actually live. But anyway, all that has passed, and I'm very like happy that I am in a different path right now. Not because I didn't like my life before. I loved it. I love it so much that I take pride in it. Like every time something regarding aviation comes up, I get excited. And I tell this to everyone. I've grown up in aviation, okay? Since I was a teenager, I've been a part of the industry, and I remember like initially I was a kid, and my colleagues were like 10 years, 12 years, sometimes 7, 8 years older to me, always have been. And they used to call me like baby on board, and that was my name given from Calcutta base. I remember there was this amazing pilot. He was very senior. I don't remember his name, but he flew with, actually, fun fact, he flew with Indira Gandhi. Like he used to fly for her private, and he used to call me whenever we used to fly together. He used to call me, okay baby on board has come, now brief her. So yeah, I've had like really good people show up for me in this industry, and I'm really glad for that. They have given me very good advices. They have taught me a lot of things. So yeah, anyway, yeah, so these were the two reasons because of which I had to. Because I realized what happens in aviation is, every year you need to give your medical checks. And I would have passed my medical check. But एक टाइम के बाद आपको बस पता होता है कि अब हो गया. अब शायद टाइम आ गया है to not cling on to it more, because leaving that position hurts, but eventually it becomes easier. So if any one of you are in a situation like this where you know that you are in a crossroad and you need to take a decision which might feel hard but necessary and correct, go for it, because it will just hurt you for a while, 45 days max, and then you'll be fine. But you need to make sure that every day you are trying to be fine. You cannot sulk in it. Then you never get out of it. So yeah. Okay, so all these happened, and then I was like, okay, time to start a new chapter. So I remember I was called in the office for something, and it was an office day or something. So I was speaking to my manager, and I just told her that, I don't think I'll be able to continue, because anyway, most of the time I'm in the hospital. I used to be the one taking responsibility of my entire batch. I was the one. But even, I think I did three days of training, and after that I was admitted in the hospital. So even that really made me feel a little sad and upset, because I know when I am into something how much effort I put into the work. But it's just, looking back, I can say God was not favoring it for XYZ reason. At that point of time, I didn't realize what. Now I do, and I'm glad how things turned out. So yeah, because of solely my health, keeping in consideration my physical, mental and emotional health, I took the decision to leave flying. Will I go back in a heartbeat to work in the aviation sector? 110%. I love it. But can I ever go back to work as a crew? No. It's too much work, trust me. Being a crew, I know. These was, They work so hard throughout the day. They are working. Their makeup is on point. They are, I don't know, like each flight they are at least minimum dealing with 200 people minimum. Okay, and still they are just looking perfect. Have you ever looked at a flight attendant? Can you even tell that they are going through shit? Because you can't. That's how we are trained. You cannot tell, but we are going through shit. So please be humble. Please be nice when you go on a flight. Okay, they are there to help you out. They're there for your safety, brother. Service is a complimentary. So for all my aviation people, know your worth and yeah, put that smile on even if it's fake, because Rihanna said, fake it till you make it, honey. And we are gonna. So yeah. Okay, my eyes are done. I do very basic makeup. कोई मेरे पे जज मत करो, कोई मुझे सुनाने मत आओ, कोई फायदा नहीं है, क्योंकि अगर आप मेरा मेकअप कर रहे हो तो प्लीज आके कर देना. मैं बैठ जाऊंगी, खुद से करना होगा तो इतने में इतना ही मिलेगा, इससे ज्यादा हमसे नहीं हो पाएगा. वैसे भी आई एम क्यूट, सो आई थिंक इट्स ओके. एनीवे, बहुत बकवास भी करती हूँ मैं कभी. अभी आपको धीरे धीरे पता चलेगा. Okay, so my eyes are done. I used the Lakme eyeliner, and yeah, the Lakme Iconic Volume Mascara. Okay, I like it. I will give you my secret hack for my lashes. There is this serum called the Latisse serum. You get it in US. Apply it. It's amazing. If like when my eye got hit with that champagne cork, the first thing I saw was my eyelashes, and they were gone. They were gone. I have only applied Latisse. There's some serum. My friend got it for me from US. I'll have to check, and I'll give you the link. If you guys want the link, you let me know. I'm gonna update that in the next video. Okay. So yeah, that really helped, because all my lashes from the left eye, everything was gone, but it regrew and now it's nice. And you can also use castor oil if you guys are like into long lashes. I really love it. And also there's this one mascara that Maybelline has. It is that yellow mascara. What is it called? Again, I don't know. But the catch is not with the purple strand. There's one mascara with the sky blue strand. Okay, that one is amazing. That one is like my go-to, but again, whatever I like goes out of stock every time. So if Maybelline you're watching it, whenever it might be that you'll come across this video, maybe, please, can I please get those mascaras with the blue strap? I know you know what I am talking about. So yeah, I want that one, not the purple one, because that doesn't work for me, but the blue one is amazing. So if you guys get a link of it, or you guys find it anywhere that it is in stock, please let me know, because I'm dying to get it. And that is the only mascara that I will use for the rest of my life, no matter what, but I'm not getting it. So again, if you guys get it, let me know. Okay, this is done. I'm a little bit confused. I have got this amazing range from Rene. So should I use this or should I use okay, I got this as well. So Dior, are you kidding me? Oh love. Whenever I feel a little upset, this is exactly what I do. I open all the unopened packages that I have, because I have a lot. And when I get upset, I just go through them, I look at them, I don't even use them, because मुझे बहुत ही आलसी लगता है करने के लिए. बट आज हम करेंगे, शायद आज से करेंगे, क्योंकि आपके लिए कर रहे हैं. Enjoy. Okay, so there's a lip balm, there's a lipstick, and there's a lip maximizer, lip gloss. I think we're gonna go with gloss, although I want a little bit of shade, so we are going to apply No, we are going to apply this only. We'll apply there. Okay, so this is the let's see. Yeah, this is the lipstick that came with the mini kit, and let's see if it's good enough. I need new blushes. I need good blushes, but every time I order something, it comes with a very weird kind of stain in it, which I don't like. I like the blushes which blend in your skin, but the ones which like gives off the stain, I don't like. And I have one product which is like that. I'm not going to mention that though, but yeah, I don't like it. Yeah, baby. I think it's good. See, everything goes right where it came from for me. I have a little bit of OCD, so yeah. Okay, I don't know why, but I'm having a little bit of tingling sensation. Is it supposed to like plumb my lips or something? It's tingling. So when you apply the lipstick, it tingles a little, which is happening. Although, was it the... Okay, so we are going to apply this as well. This is the Lip Maximizer lip gloss. Although it's really glossy, the lipstick, but I still want to apply it. So we are going to do that. And it's tingling. It's really minty. I mean, interesting. That's all I can say right now. Okay, let's see if I get Kylie Jenner lips or not. Because I have like really thin lips. I like it. I like it. Actually, it's good. It is good. I think I'm going to use it quite often, although I don't want to. But लग रहा है कि ये कुछ ज़्यादा ही यूज होने वाला है. It gives you that 2000 lip. And I like to smudge it a little bit. I don't like to keep it as it. And then just tap it. That's how I do it. Okay, so this is done. Now we are going to apply a little bit of blush, which I don't have. Okay, this is something. Okay, this is the contour, but I'm going to try and apply it as my blush because I just want to see how it looks on my cheeks. So we are going to do that. Also, I got this from Swiss Beauty, and thank you so much for like manufacturing something like this because I wanted something like this from so long, and I got it. Finally, I got my hands on it. So thank you, Swiss Beauty. And yeah, let's open it. I told you that I never open any PR packages or anything that I get. I mean, I never used to when I was in aviation because I never got the time to properly make content or do things like this. I was always flying and on minimum rest. But now that I have the time, I'm trying to be more involved and live like a human being, not in a cave. Alright, so I'm not sure although if I'm using the right kind of. I think this is for foundation, if I'm not wrong. But even if I am wrong, अभी मेरे पास दो ही है, तो मैं यही use करूँगा. Okay, anyway, so okay, one thing about me is मुझे मत बताना कि कैसे क्या करना है क्योंकि मैं वो नहीं करूँगी. मैं उल्टा ही करूंगी और मुझे जैसे अच्छा लगे मैं वैसे ही करूंगी, बिकॉज आई जस्ट लाइक टू बी कंफर्टेबल. ओके, मुझे नहीं जानना कि किसने कैसे किया. और आई हैव सीन दिस ऑल्सो, इफ आई ट्राई टू फॉलो समवन एल्सेस लीड, I'll be lost. I'll not even understand what the other person is saying or how they are figuring out whatever they are doing. I have my own way of doing things, and that's exactly how we are going to go about in this channel. You'll get to know more with time. Okay, so let's see if we are gonna like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. I already like it. I really don't want to do anything except for, like, if I'm doing my makeup, the only thing I pay attention to is my eye region. Okay, because सोते तो हम है नहीं वैसे भी, और टाइम पे सोना होता क्या है वो एविएशन ने भुला दिया है, अब याद आने का कोई चांस ज्यादा है नहीं. तो आईज, अंडर आईज आर ऑलवेज asking for help. So what I do is I just take care of my eyes. Rest follows, I feel. So I'll cover my dark circles. I don't like putting foundation. Okay, on a daily basis I will never put a foundation. Even, I'm so sorry for this, but even when I was flying I would not put foundation, although we are supposed to. But अभी तो हम है नहीं एविएशन में, तो हम कुछ भी बोल सकते, तो हम बोलेंगे सॉरी, हमने बहुत सारे रूल्स ब्रेक करे, ये एक था उसमें से, फाउंडेशन नहीं लगाती. एनीवे, हाँ, तो फाउंडेशन रोज तो मैं नहीं लगा सकती, तो व्हाट आई डू इज आई जस्ट कीप माय cheeks flushed, and right now I'm using a powder because I don't have a very good liquid blush. I have this one. This is from Benefit. This is good actually. I will not lie, this is good, but it doesn't work for me because I don't know. I need it to be a little more pigmented, a little more skin type, and this does like leave a stain. Like if I'm going to put it on my cheek and I'm not immediately like smudging it or mixing it, it'll leave a stain. So this is something is a little bit tricky for me because हम तो मतलब ब्लश लगा के आपसे बात करके 4 घंटा इधर उधर घूम के फिर याद आएगा कि अरे ब्लश, तो हाँ मेरी गलती है शायद. बट एनीवे, दिस डजंट वर्क एनीवे फॉर मी. और मुझे एक चीज बहुत अच्छा लगता है, मैं बहुत जुगाड़ू भी हूँ. हाँ, तो बेबी लिप्स, you can get it on Blinkit, like it's so easily available. Baby lips, what I do is I use it on my lip and even I use it on my cheeks at times because that gives the perfect flush look which I am looking for. Okay, I can't talk about anybody else, but that works for me and I like it. और हमारा जो माइक है वो धीरे धीरे नीचे जा रहा है, बदतमीज. Anyway, okay, so this is done. See, I told you it's very basic. If you are expecting something like, oh my god, what is she going to do? She'll be so amazing. हम ऐसे ही रहते हैं, फिर हम पिक्चर्स लेते हैं, फिर हम थोड़ा एडिट करते तो सब ठीक हो जाता है. तो बहन, it's okay to put a little less effort at times. हम तो हमेशा वही करते हैं. Okay. And I like to put my blush all over this area on my nose क्योंकि it gives a natural look, and naturally अगर मुझे ये look चाहिए तो मुझे बहुत रोना पड़ेगा, और अभी फिलहाल हम रो के थक चुके हैं तो हमें और रोना नहीं है, तो हम instead of that we'll use sugar. Okay, हो गया? This is done. So you can see that I'm almost done. Okay. Or yeah, stories are almost done. I guess I told you that these were the reasons. My health was not favoring me at all. Top of everything, I made a very big, huge mistake. People who are there living in like outside India working in aviation, my friends, my colleagues, or people who are watching this video and wants to go ahead to a different country, work. If you are dating while you are going out of India, I can just give you one tip, and I will, because I wish somebody gave me that tip when I was in that position, but things were just supposed to turn out like this, so it did, and I think I'm here to do that for you guys. So honestly, for me, I feel long distance relationships are my thing. I know, shocker, but I love it, because मुझे लगता है कि अगर आप एक इंसान के साथ सामने रह के, things can be sorted very easily. It's very easy. But when you are away from the person you love, then it's a big test. Okay, it's a big test on how they actually see you, how much they value you, how much they respect you when you are not around, and how supportive are they of you. I know a lot of people, and the only reason I'm sharing this right now is because I know personally a lot of people who are in the same position as I was, and they are still working. And yeah, I just want to tell you guys that choose your partners wisely when you are going out, because what happens is that nobody understands, nobody can, because our life is different. Our life is always treated as some sort of eye candy kind of life, where we are having fun, we are going to different places every day, and we are posting so much, which we do have fun. It's not like we are sad people, we are happy people, but we do go through a lot, and it is very hard for people to be in such career front and not have a good support system behind them or with them. So choosing your partner wisely in this industry is very important, because they are going to set the note for your mental and emotional health before and after the flight. And जैसे हमको सिखाया जाता था कि कोई भी फ्लाइट पे आप जाते हो तो जाने से पहले गिले शिकवे दूर करके जाइए, किसी से झगड़ा मत कीजिए, मूड ऑफ है तो थोड़ा टाइम लीजिए, टाइम लेके खुद को ठीक फील करा के फिर जाइए, क्योंकि बहुत टफ होता है इन आवर इंडस्ट्री वर्किंग इन दैट aircraft such long hours. It takes a toll. Okay, and top of everything, I know it's hard for other people who are not from the industry to understand what we are going through, but it becomes hard, and it really helps if you have supportive, loving people with you or around you. And if any given point anyone watching this video like comes across a moment in their life where you know that you are doing more than enough, and now it is on the verge of exhaustion, please remove yourself from the situation, because otherwise what happens is it starts showing in your body in a way or the other, which happened to me. Okay, so we are not going to get into details, not for now. The only thing that I want to say before I end this video is that actually this is the first time that I'm speaking about what happened, although not in details, in gist, and it just feels good. I thought it will be hard, turns out it was. Now it's not that hard, and I'm so glad for how things turned out, and whatever situations we as individuals we go through on our daily lives, and it just teaches us more perseverance, more life lessons, and we can only hope that we go forward in this life with more dignity, growth, and and just love. So if you are someone who is not in aviation and who has somebody who's working in aviation, please go, give them love, talk to them, ask them about how their day was, how their flight was, if you can do anything for them. I mean, just be there for them. That's it. It's a tough life, it's a tough job. Also, most of the time, we ourselves don't know what's going on in our mind and our body because we're so exhausted after our routine and our flights and all the, you know, all these jet lag. So it becomes hard. But I see all of you, all my colleagues, all my friends who are like still living there and going to so many places and loving everything. All the very best. I am living through you guys now, and it makes me feel so happy, so nice that all of you are doing such amazing jobs there. And yeah, that's about it. That I just want to give you all love, and I just want to say that, you know, take good care, all my girlies, all my friends, whoever in this industry. And yeah, take care of your mental health, very important. Physical health, even more important. And yeah, time to time check in on your emotional health as well. Keep your friends close, family closer, and don't bother about the rest. Everything is going to be amazing. So yeah, that's all for today. We have, I think we just got done with the basics here. Let me know what you want to see in my next video, and we shall continue. Hit the like button, subscribe, and share on the next day with something else, something more fun. Let me know what you want me to make a video on for the next video, and yeah, we shall continue there. Thank you so much for being there with me. It was lovely to see you all in my channel, Hey There Anna. If you guys want to have daily updates and want me to make more fun videos, give me ideas, because इतना सब कुछ एक जगह पे ऊपर वाले फ्लोर पे नहीं रहता, तो मुझे बताते रहो और मैं डिलीवर करती रहूंगी. Thank you so much, and it was lovely seeing you all.